Hello, welcome to my Sunday Front. I have several packages today in the mail, so let's get them open and see what's in them. The first one I have is a little box. And I'm not sure what's in each box, but let's see. The first thing is this Yankee Candle scent thing. It's in the fragrance leather. It's a car scent. It smells just like leather. It's like a solid or a gel. You just hang it in the car. It lasts for a very long time. It says it lasts 30 days. It lasts a very long time. I can tell you that. It says rub and smell. It smells super good. And actually, this is one of my favorite places to get scents from. Bath and Body Works as well. So let's see what else is in the box. So I have Cinnamon Toast Crunch Treats. Next, let's get the box open and see what this is about. I got these for like $1, like less than $2. And they come in a box of 8. And it's like flavored like Cinnamon Crunch cereal. Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal. So here's the bar. And this is what the bar looks like. Trying not to make a mess. This is what the bar looks like. And let's give it a taste. Mmm. Mmm. The icing tastes like pastry. And it's like a regular granola bar. You can see the bottom is iced as well. Mmm. The flavor is giving very much Mexican banderia. So excuse me for a minute. It's been a minute since I've been to one. For example, but the flavors are very much authentic. It's cinnamon. And it has like little pieces of, it looks like rice. I can't really tell. But they taste like this little French pastries that you can buy from the Mexican bakeries. Only 100 calories per bar. Pretty good. So the next one is sugar-free cookies. I know a lot of you guys like to know about nutrition and dieting and foods, like health foods, healthy lifestyles as far as eating and stuff. This is what my go-to is, sugar-free. If I'm gonna do probably sauces, desserts, anything that I can buy pre-packaged, canned, any items from the grocery store that I can find that are sugar or sodium free, I usually opt for those. Now this is not like just like a one-time deal, like, but if you shop for groceries for like a month and you're dieting and trying to stick to your diet, that would help a great deal. if you just buy everything kind of like healthy. So I can tell you from experience, you know, try to be consistent with what you your choices as far as groceries are concerned that you keep in the fridge. So that was it. Okay. So this bag has 3 items. The first one is this Denison chili. I'm not sure if I tried it yet. It has like chunks of ground beef, you know, like little chunks like kind of you would find in a child's meal. You know, those little meals you warm up in the microwave, like meatballs. They kind of look like that. But I just wanted to try it because it says, you know, chili con carne with beans, and I'm kind of curious what this would taste like. So it just looks like regular American chili. This is tomato sauce, no salt added. Of course, I like to make my own pasta sauces. Usually I make Mexican pasta sauces, but I also make Italian sauces, and I like to go and use the tomato sauce rather than the paste, because just by habit I think like the paste kind of is really concentrated in salt, so like by habit I just choose tomato sauce. And plus I know a lot of recipes with tomato sauce. I have this Tums Just Medicine, so there's that package. The next package is smaller, and let's see what's in it. So this is another Popfield makeup kit, and I might do a look with this one, so we'll see about it. Get excited about it, get to know it, get a good look, see if you have this stuff laying around that you want to try on yourself. That way we can get to know it and work with that. It's an eyeshadow palette, comes with all the colors including glitter colors, eyeliner, mascara, eyebrow pencil. This is for your eyebrow to fill in any hairs that are not there, and a bunch of little eye makeup brushes, including eyeliner one. So I'm excited for that. Hope to see you guys on that next video. And so yeah, next package. Oh, and while I'm at it, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I know I'm shy about saying it, but I do enjoy seeing more of you come to this channel and stick around. And I hope that you continue enjoying being around, and I'll continue inviting more of you guys. Please just hit the subscribe button and let's grow our community. So there's that, but also, you know, the more of you guys that show up, you know, the more things we get to do together. So this is dish soap, Fragancia again, Sweet Rose Water. I bought this one, of course, because I'm running out. I bought this one because it's scented the same that I like, that fragrance beads. And well, to be honest, I kind of lean towards floral scents when it comes to household product. So, but thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you guys again soon on my Sewn Different. Bye bye.